Hello students, welcome back. We are here part 6 polynomial chapter we are doing. So in the last class whatever we discussed, let me recap it quickly. Already written here in the last class whatever we wrote now, that only here. In the last class we discussed about relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. There we understood what is the relation between the coefficient of a polynomial and zeros of the polynomial. On the base of that, one thing what we understood, if the given polynomial is linear polynomial which is in the form of ax plus b, to find out the zero we have a formula x equal to minus b by a. After that we discussed, if the given polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, imagine alpha and beta are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. Then to find out the sum of the zeros, our zeros are alpha and beta. Sum of the zeros means we have to add it. Alpha plus beta is equal to the coefficients what we have taken a, b, c. By using that coefficient we have a formula minus b by a. To find out the product of the zeros, zeros are what? Alpha and beta. Product means what? Multiplication. Product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is for quadratic polynomial. This is for linear polynomial. So similarly, cubic polynomial has three zeros. So let us consider three zeros as alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial general form is what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this has three types of formulas. First one, sum of the zeros means zeros are what? Alpha, beta and gamma. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma. The formula is minus b by a, the coefficient b and a, minus b by a formula we have to use. Next, second one, to find out the sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, then two to zeros you have to multiply and you have to add. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. For that purpose formula is c by a. And last one, to find out the product of the zeros, for that we have to multiply all the three zeros, alpha into beta into gamma. Then formula becomes minus d by a. In the last class I told you, first one should be minus, next plus, next minus. So this much in the last class we discussed. Related to this we have some sums in second exercise, that is 2.2 exercise. We are going to discuss that one. Please wait, I am going to write the questions. Yes students, here now we are here exercise 2.2, and on the base of the formulas whatever we discussed, on the base of that formulas only now we have to solve the questions related to exercise 2.2. So I wrote question on the board. Kindly observe the question properly. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials. They have given you 6 quadratic polynomials. You can see all are quadratic. Degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. So all are quadratic polynomials only they have given. They are asking you find the zeros of each quadratic polynomial. So yesterday we discussed in the last class how to find out the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial by algebraic method. I said factorization method. Same way you have to factorize it and you have to get the zeros. Whatever zeros you are getting, no, two zeros you are getting. One zero what you have to take? Alpha. Another zero what you have to take? Beta. Why only alpha beta? Because quadratic. Quadratic means two zeros only. Two zeros means what? Alpha and beta. If it is cubic, three zeros. In such a case we need to take alpha, beta, gamma. As all these are quadratic polynomial, so after factorization you will get two zeros. One zero we have to take as the alpha, another zero we have to take as the beta. After that we have to verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Coefficients means ax square plus bx plus c, small a, small b, small c. Related to that, and zeros. Zeros related what we studied in the last class, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Formula minus b by a, c by a. वो लेकर हमको वेरीफाई करके देखना है LHS is equal to RHS or not. That one we have to check. So here 6 are there. I am going to take first sum. So this is first sum. So let I am going to take P of x because it is a polynomial. They have given quadratic polynomial P of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. This is a polynomial what they have given. First we have to find out zeros of this polynomial. So to find zeros, I told you whenever you are going to find out the zeros, given polynomial you have to make equal to 0. So to find zeros, P of x we have to make it equal to what? 0. We have to make it equal to 0. After that, P of x is equal to 0 I have taken. So P of x is a quadratic polynomial. So I am going to write here x square minus 2x minus 8 given polynomial is equal to 0. Now it is trinomial or quadratic polynomial. We have to split it and we have to get the factor of this. Splitting method already you know. So how to split this? Product should be equal to minus 8. And their sum or difference is equal to minus 2. So how you are going to split 8 so that difference should be equal to minus 2. So can I take it as a 4 2 8? 4 में से 2 गया तो 2 आता है. So to get 2, what we have to do? We have to subtract 2 from 4. Whenever you are subtracting, difference negative means big number should be minus. Small number should be plus. Again cross check. Minus into plus minus. We want minus 8 only. And minus 4 में से plus 2 subtract किया तो we will get the minus 2. So these two are the factors. I am going to substitute here x square and this is minus 4x. Same variable has to come. Next I am taking plus 2. X variable only has to come. Last term remains as it is minus 8 equal to 0. 3 term now become 4 terms. After that you know we have to make a group of 2 terms. We have to take common whatever is present. X square minus 4x. What is common? X is common. So when you take x common, x what is the x? X is the x square. Next minus 4x means x is outside, so 4 remains inside the bracket. After that next 2 term, here it is positive, therefore take whatever sign is here, that sign you have to take plus. Among 2 and 8, 2 is common, so I am taking 2 common. So out of 2x, 2 is outside, x remains here. As it is plus, this sign remains the same minus. 2 4s are 8 equal to 0. Now both brackets are same. So as both brackets are same, take it as a common. X minus 4 one bracket. The remaining terms should be in another bracket. X plus 2 and is equal to 0. Last class I told product of any two bracket is equal to 0 means each bracket we have to make equal to 0. So this implies I am going to take x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so instead of and you can take here or. Now we want x equal to, as minus 4 is going to that side, it becomes plus 4, or x plus 2 is going that side, it becomes what? Minus 2. Now whatever we got, these two are the zeros of the given polynomial. So I am going to take it as a alpha. This is 1 0. And I am going to take this one as a beta as second 0. So first part of our job is over till here. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. They said given polynomial we factorize and we got 2 zeros. 1 0 I considered as a alpha, another 0 I considered as a beta. Now our second part of the job start here. Verify the relation. Verify the relation means what relation we have related to quadratic? Sum of zeros, product of zeros. So I am going to find out that one only. So let me rub this. I am coming here. Verification. I am going to show you how to find out the verification. What we have, let me write, we have alpha is equal to what? 4. And beta is equal to what? Minus 2. And a, b, c value also we can take. Given polynomial coefficient is nothing but 1. And a is equal to 1 hai. And b is equal to, I made it circle already, minus 2. And c value is equal to minus 8. Now, अभी हमको verification करना है the formula. Therefore, I am going to take sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha का value ready है, beta का value ready है. Substitute that 4 and beta is minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to how much? 2. This is sum of the zero formula what we have. And I am going to find out, apply the formula what we like. And minus b by a is equal to minus b value is minus 2 divided by a value is what? 1. Minus into minus is equal to what? 2. Just observe, minus b by a answer is also 2 and alpha plus beta is also 2. So this implies alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to 2. Okay? Hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. Like this, we can find out the answer whenever we are going to factorize, and verification is like this. This is about the sum of zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Now what is left? Product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha and beta are the zeros. Product in the sense alpha into beta. So alpha value is ready, beta value is ready. Alpha is what? 4 into beta value is what? Minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is equal to how much? It is minus 8. 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Now formula we can apply, and another one formula is what? Yesterday C upon A. What is C here? Minus 8 divided by what is A? 1. So minus 8 by 1 is equal to again minus 8. You can observe product is also same. Therefore we can write alpha into beta is equal to C by A is equal to minus 8. So hence verified. Hence verified. I think you understood first sum. I am going to solve another 2-3 examples. Remaining I will give you homework for that. Yes. So first sum I think all of you understood. Similar to that, second sum is also there. No change, only variable is changed. Instead of x, they have given a variable s. Apart from that, nothing is changed. Therefore, I am giving this one as a homework. So this is homework sum for you all. So try for it. Even though if you are not getting, tell me, we will discuss in WhatsApp. So now I am going to take third one. Why I am taking third one? Because here one more message is there to observe. What they have given? They have given you polynomial like this 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Whenever they are giving polynomial, you have to observe the given polynomial properly so that the terms are in standard form or not. They made you confusion by interchanging the term. After x square what should come? X has to come. So that x they have given at the end and constant they have given at the middle. Without observation, if you take this one as it is, then instead of b, you are taking it as a c, and c coefficient you are taking as a b. Therefore, your answer is going to become pura waste. Therefore, whenever they are giving the polynomial, you have to check whether the terms are in a standard form or not. What I said standard form means highest power, one less power, one less power. At the end, you will get the constant. See here, constant is middle and x is at the end. So make it correct and write down. I am going to write it properly. Let same procedure. P of x is equal to 6x square. Next what term I have to write? X wala term. So I am taking same sign minus 7x and minus 3. Don't be confused. Hey sir, ऐसे क्यों लिख लिया? Means this is correct form of the polynomial. This one also polynomial, but the terms are आगे पीछे हुए हैं. To make you confusion, that's why they are given. Whenever you observe any polynomial is like this, write it like this. So the rest of the work is same to same. No change at all. So P of x is equal to this. To find zeros, P of x equal to 0. P of x क्या है? यही है. I am going to write it 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. If it is correct, then what we have to go? We have to go for splitting the middle term. For that what you have to do? Last term and coefficient of x square you have to multiply. So minus 3 6's are how much? Minus 3 6's are is equal to minus 18. The product of these two is 18. When you multiply, you have to get answer this much and middle term. So the sum or difference should be equal to how much? Minus 7. Try to split it. Very easily we can split. It can be split as 9 2's are 18. 9 में से 2 गया तो 7 आता है. Again, to get 7, what we should do? We have to subtract 2 from 9. Whenever you are doing the subtraction, I told many times, whatever sign is here, same sign has to come towards the big factor. So, big factor is 9, so minus 9 plus 8. Don't believe yourself, again cross check. Minus into plus is equal to minus. So, 9 2's are 18. Product is correct. And difference you are finding, 9 minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 7. Big number side minus, so minus 7. So our splitting is correct. Make it 4 terms. This implies 6x square. That term will come here minus 9 with same variable x. Next plus 2 with same variable minus 3 equal to 0. 3 के बदले 4 टर्म हो गए और दो टर्म को कॉमन निकालना है. What is common? 6 और 9 में table 3 is common. So take 3 common. X square and x. X is a common. So what comes here? 3 what's the 6? 3 2's are 6. Out of x square, one x is here, another x remains inside. Next what sign here? Minus. Now ask 3 what's are 9? 3 3's are 9. So bracket close because x is outside. Next come here. Sign is positive. So take positive sign here. सर यहाँ क्या सर 2 और 3 के बीच में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं. डोंट गो फॉर सुसाइड. कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं रहता है तो नंबर 1 तो कॉमन रहता है. सो इन बिटवीन 2 एंड 3 कुछ नहीं तो 1 कॉमन है. सो टेक 1 कॉमन. सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो 1 into anything is that thing only will come. So 1 what's the 2x is a 2x. Same sign will come because we have taken plus common. 1 what's the 3? 1 3's are 3 is equal to 0. Now observe, your verification step is this only. Both brackets should be same. So 2x minus 3, 2x 3. Very good sir. So take common. What comes here? 2x minus 3, one bracket. Another bracket what? 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. What we got now? 2 brackets we got. What we have to make it? Each bracket equal to 0. So this implies 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Or 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Shift minus 3 to that side. 2x equal to minus 3 going that side. It becomes plus 3. Same thing you have to do here. 3x. When plus 1 is going to that side, it becomes minus 1. हमें क्या चाहिए? Only x. So send these two to नीचे. X equal to cross multiplication 3 by 2. Or x equal to minus 1 by 3. I think you understood cross multiplication here. So 2 zeros we got. Our job is to take this one as a alpha and this one as a beta. Same thing, no change. Don't scare by seeing the fraction. Same thing. Everything is same, little same. Now this is finding the zero. Let's go to verification step. Again verification step we will go. Verification means we have what we have alpha. Alpha is equal to 3 by 2. Beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Small a given polynomial में coefficient of x square क्या है 6. Therefore a is 6. Coefficient of x is small b. So b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will go to sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. This is equal to alpha is 3 by 2 and minus beta is 1 by 3. Oh no, what to do, sir? Fraction in the sense you have to go for LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator 2 or 3 का LCM है 6. Then 2 what is 6? 2 3 za, that za will come here. Next this second term 3 what is 6? 3 2 za, it comes here. What you have to do? Multiply 3 3 za 9 minus 2 1 za 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 upon 6. So sum of the zero according to adding the direct zeros. Now formula लेंगे. Now I am taking the formula minus sum of zeros. Sum of zeros minus b by a minus b is minus of minus 7 divided by a is 6. Minus of minus is equal to plus 7 by 6. Observe here, a और a दोनों same हुआ. This implies we can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This one we verify. अभी क्या बचा? Product. Product means product of zeros. Product of zeros. Same thing you have to do. Alpha into beta means alpha value है 3 by 2 and beta value है minus 1 by 3. All of you know numerator denominator we can cancel. 3 baba cancel. So what you will get? Minus 1 by 2. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now according to formula product of zeros again according to coefficient formula. C by A. What is C? C. Minus 3. Minus 3. What is A? 6. Can we cancel it? 3 ones are 3 twos are. So again you will get minus is here 1 by 2. Observe. Minus half. Minus half. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to C by A is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is product. Let me write sum as a 7 upon 6. Verified. I think all of you understood. Copy. Okay. So all of you understood third sum also. If you have a doubt, you can anytime ask me. Now I will go to fourth one. I am telling you beginning only. Sixth one is again similar to second and first. Okay, so you try for this also. I am writing here. This one is also homework. Sixth one. Try. If you not get, I am here. Don't fear. Okay. So try for this. 4u square plus 8u. I told you whenever they are giving a polynomial, you have to check whether it is in standard form or not. Sir, one term is missing. Don't worry. Two terms are there. Third term, if it is not there, 0 is given by mathematician, our Indian mathematician, we can take it. So let p of x वेरिएबल क्या है इसमें u. u स्क्वायर के बाद u है. क्या मिसिंग है? कांस्टेंट. उसी कांस्टेंट को 0 ले रहे हो. Therefore 4u square plus 8u जो मिसिंग है उसको बोलेंगे 0. जिंगल वाला. Okay, so 4u square plus 8u plus 0. 3 टर्म हो गए. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म भी हो गया. So to find the 0, what we have to do? We have to take p of x equal to 0. I wrote this 0. Why? Because you should not scare while taking the c. So what you have to take c value here? Verification 0. Okay. For solving and getting the 0, we are not in need of 0. We will take only 2 terms only. Therefore, this implies what they are given. I am taking that 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. दो टर्म है, दो टर्म से ही हम अपना काम चला लेंगे. So, इसको हम सॉल्व करने के लिए we will take common. What is common here? 4u is common. 4 और 8 के अंदर 4 कॉमन है और u स्क्वायर और u के अंदर u कॉमन है. So what comes here inside the bracket? 4 1 4, u स्क्वायर में से 1u बाहर है तो another u inside हुआ. Next plus 4 what is 8, 4 2 8, this is equal to 0. Imagine this is one bracket, this is another bracket. Okay, whenever product of two brackets is equal to 0, what I said? Each bracket you have to make equal to 0. यहाँ हमने splitting नहीं की because 3 terms नहीं थे. So instead of splitting, so I have taken common and we got 2 factors. So this implies 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 equal to 0. So u is equal to what answer? 0. 4 will come by cross multiplication. Therefore u is equal to 0. And or here plus 2 वहां गया तो वो बनेगा u is equal to minus 2. So these are the two zeros. Let's take this one as a alpha and take this one as a beta. These are our two zeros. Let's go to verification. Same already written here. So alpha is equal to, take it as a 0. Beta is equal to, take it as a minus 2. Next, coefficients purpose, I have taken here 0 also. Observe here, coefficient of u square, u. Therefore, u square का coefficient है 4. It is called as a small a. Coefficient of u is plus 8. That you have to take it as a b. And last one is what? 0. So c value you have to take as a 0. Now you know sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Alpha value is ready है 0 and beta value है minus 2. So answer मिलेगा हमको minus 2. Now same we can find out by coefficient formula. Sum of zeros minus b by a. Minus means minus, b value क्या है 8 divided by a value है 4. Can we cancel? Easily we can cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So a बनेगा minus 2. देख लो दोनों minus 2 सेम है. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus 2. This is verification number 1. Next, product. So product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta is equal to alpha value है 0 into beta value है minus 2. All of you know 0 into anything is 0 only. Now product of zeros in terms of coefficient, c divided by a. What is c here? 0. A value is what? 4. 0 divided by anything is 0 only. So both answers are same. This implies we can say alpha into beta is equal to c by a is equal to 0. Hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. I think this also you understood. Yes. Now we finished. First sum we finished. Okay. Second sum I gave homework. Third also I finished. Fourth also I finished. Now I am going to attempt fifth one, which is last from this section. 2 homeworks are there. This and this. You try and send that answer to me. So p of x I am taking what I said, whether it is in standard form or not. T square. T is a variable. उसके बाद what we need? T. T is not there. Take it 0. So take it as t square and plus or minus any number you can take 0t and minus 50. This one I have taken. So we need 0t to find out ABC. That's why I have taken 0 here. For finding the zeros, 0t is not needed. Directly we can start. So I am taking that one as p of x equal to 0. Next, t square minus 15 is equal to 0. Already you studied in 9th standard, one formula was there. Formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. I will convert that one in that way only. So a square minus b square करूँगा. कैसे करूँगा देखो. t square minus root 15 whole square. All of you know square root cancel. So you will get 15 only. Now it is a square minus b square. So factors किया तो according to that a plus b, a minus b. So t plus root 15 एक bracket, t minus root 15 another bracket equal to 0. Two factors we got. Each bracket equal to 0. T plus root 15 equal to 0 or t minus root 15 equal to 0. So plus root 15 वहाँ गया तो t is equal to minus root 15 और t is equal to minus root 15 वहाँ गया तो plus root 15. This will be beta and this will be alpha. We got two zeros. So verification step. Alpha is minus root 15, beta is plus root 15. Small a, b, c. इसको देखकर निकालो. t square का कोएफिशिएंट कुछ नहीं तो 8. Therefore a is equal to 1. Coefficient of t, that is 0, and c is constant. Sign is minus, so minus 15. So everything we got. Already I wrote sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta. Alpha value है minus root 15 plus है plus beta value है root 15 plus root 15 minus root 15 cancel. What you will get? 0. According to coefficient formula, what you will get? Minus minus. What is b value? 0 divided by what is a value? 1. Already I said 0 divided by anything is 0 only. There is no minus 0 and plus 0. 0 is the only number. Pop, it do not have plus sign also, minus sign also. So this is called as a 0. So both are equal. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to 0. First verification over. Next product term. Alpha into beta. Minus root 15 plus root 15. Root x into root x. X. Okay. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So its answer is root 15 into root 15 is 15. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. इसका आंसर आया minus 15. According to formula लिया तो c is equal to क्या है? Minus 15 divided by a क्या है? 1. So its answer is also minus 15. Both are same. So we can say minus 15. Hence verified. So out of 6 I solved 4 sums. I gave you only 2 sums for practice. You solve it and send it to my WhatsApp number. So this is everything about finding the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verification relation between zeros and the coefficient. I think all of you understood. So please watch the videos, try to understand it and practice well. See you next episode.